As them they prepare for Edo 2024 gubernatorial election, Edo All Progressive Congress APC don't continue their campaign rally as the campaign train don't carry waka enter Edo North senatorial district. The campaign flag off shele for Auchi Polytechnic Sports Complex for Auchi. The party supporters, as usual, come out plenty to show support for the candidates. Director General of the campaign, Senator Matthew Rohide, State Woman Leader Betsy Okpebholo Benson, APC Chieftain Pastor Osaige Izeyamu, and other leaders where they represent Esako constituency join for the campaign rally as them use their different voices yarn the people why their candidates are the best choice for Edo State.
I want to welcome all of you to this rally. Yes, sir. Are you happy? Yes, sir. Now, this is the third central rally we are having. We did the first one at those half. We did the second one at those central. Yes. And today we are in the Edo North. Yes. I can see the sea of head. And a very clear testimony that our party is the party in the Edo North. Yes. APC is the party in the Edo North. Our candidate for governorship is the candidate for governorship in the whole state. So I don't know whether giving all the support to our candidate. So we want to thank you for this support. We are happy and we pray that God Almighty will support to have our candidate will manifest on the 21st of September when we go into the polls to vote. When you vote that day for APC, you are voting for Senator Monday Okpebholo, you are voting for Right Honorable David Idahosa as governor and deputy governorship candidate. Now I want to tell you, you have to vote on APC candidate because they are the best that you can have on the ballot. Make I talk about forbidden English. Our candidate, Senator Monday Okpebholo, and of course our deputy governorship candidate, Right Honorable David Idahosa, they'll be the best when we get for Edo State today. They better find any other candidate for any other party. The reason is say these two people today, the people don't vote for them. Monday Okpebholo is the current senator from Edo Central. Edo Central people, they don't vote for them. Yes. Edo Central people, they are ready to renew his mandate. Yes. As governor, they will still vote for them. Edo South, there is in the house and Monday Okpebholo. We don't already adopt them. And our candidates, Edo South. Now so, the seven local government areas in Edo South, we have agreed on settled. So Edo South, where our own leader, our national leader, Comrade Oshiomhole, where would have begin? These are the candidates where they support. We are not support them. We are not support Oshiomhole. We are not support them. The only person going to come do development for Edo North again after Oshiomhole is Senator Monday Okpebholo. Ma'am, I want to tell you that if you are vote for APC, you are not vote for development. You vote for APC, you don't vote for development. Don't waste your vote for any other candidate. I said, don't waste your vote. Edo South, don't take them as the candidate. Edo Central, don't take them as the candidate. Therefore, you Edo North, you will take them as your candidate. Yes. Are you not going to do so? Yes, sir.
For 8 years, the man they pretend say be good man. If they do everything where Baba say make me do, if they do pass self, Baba come to say na better person you carry. He no go say na scorpion na he put for pocket. As he don reach there, he come show him true color. He come show the name wey dem dey call Obaseki wey dey fight betray put you? I said, okay, you know speak woman. He said, I am the governor. I said, yes, I know. Can we put you there? You said go so be 60. When you be 60, you go come out for government house for us. He said, no. I said, okay, you know fit. Now so, he can't start to fight. He can't carry one thing come. He said, nah, I go bed. I said, nah, scam. Not the scam. Anybody benefit from a dog bed? He can't come again, no. He said, nah, Greek. He tried people to come out for their farm. Where they see small cup, but they train their children. He said, na government one farm, and go chop, and go belle food. Una see food? One can farm, come there. Una see ya? He must stop for there. He don't carry come again. He said, na right for Usumenu. He tried everybody. We enter out. They take millions, they clear the land. We don't see Jacan rice. They know us to plant rice for that place, drive us. But today, we don't see somebody be like Oshiomhole again. God don't go wipe our tears. This one we look land well. Because we don't see part 1, we don't want to see part 2. Now we don't look ourselves. Now Papa God don't bring when the face goes far, you go stream, you go public school. Now in the way they pay us. They go carry and come for us. We don't go vote for us.
Thank you. Edo North, bring governor for Edo State. And that governor, today for APC, now will be our leader. Even though he not be governor again, now our leader. The reason we say, when he be governor, he do well. Never talk. Not be only for Edo North, he do well. He do well for Edo South. He do well for Edo Central. Never talk. After Oshiomhole, we can't get Obaseki. He not do well for Edo South. Edo North people, Obaseki do well. He do well. That same person where he not do well, he say he want bring another person. Una go green? No. Person where he not do anything for Edo North, he say make Edo North people that go again. Una go green? Una go punish am with una vote. Una go tell us say Edo North people dey very wise. That's why Edo North must fail. We are tired of people who don't know. That's why Edo North, he say he be Ishaman, he not even be speak Isha. Oshiomhole na we speak Isaka. Comrade na the accent, you na we speak Isaka. Make it keep on Isaka. Talk to me. So now person where we know. Person they pick our language. That is the our candidate want to fight back today, want your power, aka Akakomima, and the people. I want to promise them, let our people want to promise to go the way. We don't go deliver. If you know that you go deliver, put up your hand. Let's go. It's nothing. And no state government house is nothing. By the grace of God, come November 16th, Akpakomita and his deputy, ladies to the altar, they will be in Off APC house. We do it before. The one what we want to do now. The one what we want to do now. And with all the seats when the Idahosa government constituency, and the number, the aggregate number, that will increase. No go increase now. By the grace of God, Idahosa will prove to Edo people that Idahosa remain the soul of APC.
Thank you.
God bless you.
Thank you, my people. I mean, stand before now. And then Afolade Omakiye. You see all our leaders, great leaders here, when they back these our candidates, Senator Okpebholo and Right Honorable Dennis Idahosa. Now correct combination. These people, when you see so, they're very calm and calculated and very intelligent. Edo North, we know they carry last. In fact, we know they carry second. What do they carry? And at that time, we go give APC for this election. This candidate, about 3 days ago, I cannot go meet all farmers association of Nigeria. And he tell farmers what he go do to bring back agriculture to this state. If you come from Benin to Auchi, you go see plenty land. If we cultivate that land alone, we don't feed Nigeria. He tell farmers say he go give them tractors. He go prepare land for them and give them input. He go give them fertilizer. This man no dey talk, make he no do. He no be like those one wey dey there now. Where our airport or not? Where our airport for Edo North? Where our Malaysia University of Technology? MOU. Oh, now MOU. And by September 21st, they go pack all their MOU go. They don't deceive us with new institutions, so because they no go do. So, but the one way go do, now it don't come now. So come on 21st September, we will give all our votes to Okpebholo and that is Idahosa for APC. Look for proof and start your thumb there.
There is one reason I am elected to support Senator Okpebholo and Right Honorable Dennis Idahosa. You see, for the 8 years of Godwin Obaseki, there is no one single youth in Edo State that can boast that he has done business in Edo State and he has made 1 million from the government of Godwin Obaseki. We all know that when Comrade Oshiomhole was governor, a lot of young people in Edo State were empowered. A lot of young people made money. A lot of young people did business.
And part of it.
But in Obaseki's time, there is no one young person from Edo State that made 1 million from Obaseki's government. Obaseki and Okie, they are the consultants, they are the company owners, they are the contractors. So now, the reason why we have to support Senator Okpebholo and Dennis Idahosa is that they are coming to ensure that the young people of Edo State are empowered financially.
Me, my name is Peter Batas. When they Abuja represent Akoko Edo, for that place, I don't see anything. I don't see good governance. And I don't also see bad governance. Unfortunately, for going to 8 years now, the only thing I experience from my state is bad governance. Wayo governance. We carry power in somebody will not get conscience. What if our problem today? bad belle, wickedness of the highest order. No be say the person wey we put for there, he not smart. He too smart. That is the mistake wey we make. His smartness na to bring poverty. His smartness na to bring my own project. His smartness na to turn wetin belong to all of us to a personal property. Can we continue like that? No. Are we going to continue like that? No. So what we go do? Quit notice for Oba said it. Quit notice for Oba said it. Now listen, don't be in a hurry. How do you give quit notice for somebody who is already about to go? You must make sure that his protege, his grandpikin, when he wanted to continue to Wyoming where he was for almost 8 years. What are we going to do? No. How about Akbakomista? Yes. Then it's Idahosa? Yes.
Our governor and his deputy, the three of us will get National Assembly. And the National Assembly sent me today to come tell you and say that they fully in support of Okpebholo and Idahosa. That is the Speaker, the Senate President, all the members are fully in support. The last point I will make, I want back to you. The time don't reach to stop the political rascality and the dubious, demonic, diabolical politics of Obaseki and his group. I don't say don't suffer. The Bible says when God won't punish people, He will give them back leader. God don't punish us rich. He gives us Obaseki. When I don't say nothing, He do. My own constituency, one thing He no do in 8 years. The federal school went in there 7 years. Federal government give up to them. He no do open up. 14 buildings, over 600 million. I just spent there. Okpebholo, He don't perform. Idahosa, He don't perform. And I know what I'm talking about. So this time, talk to your neighbor, talk to your friend, talk to your father, your mother, your girlfriend, your husband, your customer. Don't waste your vote on the useless caricature organization called PDP. Let all of us vote APC for a better life. Let all of us vote APC for a better Edo. Don't waste your votes. The future is bright. The president is with us. Nigerians are with us. Even most of the PDP leaders for Abuja, they are with us in APC. I know what I'm talking about. So don't listen to Osoi, Rodalo, and Yoga, who don't know their left and their right, who have mismanaged our resources, mismanaged our future, destroyed everything that Oshiomhole built. Since Oshiomhole left beneath, nothing has happened. Poverty, hunger, disease, darkness. Now that can go for una want? Una want government when they destroy people's house? Una want government when they give work? Government when they do road? Government when they do school? Government when they respect leaders? Government when they abuse the upper house beneath? So tell everybody we are talking about. Mr. David, direct.
Senator wey dey represent Edo North Senatorial District, Senator Adams Oshiomhole, Edo Deputy Governor Right Honourable Comrade Philip Shaibu, State Party Chairman Emperor Jared Tinebe and others also yarn the people why they need vote for Senator Monday Okpebholo and a Deputy Honourable Dennis Idahosa, and come also yarn them the message from Abuja.
If you listen carefully, you will hear. What did I say? There is a natural mystic flowing that today, all the leaders of Edo North are gathered here with a unity of purpose to take Oshiomhole Avenue. Just now, my friend, who is the coordinator of this campaign, asked me that people are blocking the leaders, that they want to see how we can clear them so that the stage will be clear. I asked him a question. Among the people that are here, is there anyone you can tell to come down? That will tell you that all the leaders of Edo North are gathered here. All saying that come 21st of September, everybody is going to vote for Monday Okpebholo. And then it's Idahosa. APC, that will tell you that we are united, that we are ready to take over Oshiomhole Avenue. Opacity and Auchi, I have a message for you people. Pack your bag and baggages and leave a day for us. Thank you.
I want to ask you one thing. When I want to win this election, I want to be loser.
We want to win.
If we want to win, make us see our hands.
Everybody blow your drum. Everybody blow your trumpet.
All right. On election day, as we are raising our hands so, but before election, one of the lead here today, when I carry this message home, when I tell them, say, on election day, make everybody come out, come vote APC. But when I know what I will do, I will do door-to-door campaign. What I need now. And the message when I will carry, when I let them know, say, APC, and they will vote. They will not tell you and say, APC this, economy this. When APC, the government, we develop and we will develop. So we are going to let them know, say, for Edo State, as far as we are concerned, Okpebholo and Dennis, when they come, we will rescue back our state. We need to take our state back. This man, what I listen, when I listen, I don't say, they first day, I tell you, I say, Godwin Obaseki is a very lawless person. So I don't talk out, I'm not a changer, and I know why, because not be saying wicked alone, is lawless. So that's why on that the youth, when I come out, nothing will happen. We don't come back. We don't come to join our leader, Comrade Adams and Oshiomhole. We get Engineer Babo. We get Naibidis. Who won't come try us? They're going to make us fear. No. I think they're going to make them fear. So by the grace of God, we don't come back, come join our leader and join forces. That day, unless somebody will get 2 heads. Only person will get 2 heads. Now PPRD, so by the grace of God, Monday Okpebholo for governor, Dennis Idahosa for deputy.
Monday Okpebholo and Bagamila for governor. And when Monday, and the way today is Thursday, when you become governor, Dennis become deputy. And when they become deputy,
unity. And feeling as we speak with the deputy governor, and he's here. Now we have a guy, and I'm very proud of him, because this man, we begged him, but Obaseki also deceived him. Right Honorable Kabiru Ajoto, where is he?
Honorable Kabiru Ajoto, where are you?
Hello. You know what I'm thinking about? When we say it's unity party, you can imagine a PDP speaker. Now they are just sitting. Macho is Eat your people. After you were a speaker, speak. If you like, back. APC! APC! The comrade governor, sir. Our incoming governor, sir. Our incoming deputy governor.
Talk to me.
Every other leader here present. May the peace and blessing of God be unto you all.
Amen.
Comrade Governor and our respected Senator representing Edo North, I must say we are proud of you. You did it yesterday. You did it. You are doing it today. I know you are going to do it tomorrow. What have you done? When you were governor of Edo State, you transformed Edo State. Representing Edo North, you have distinguished yourself. We are proud of you.
Talk to me.
Recently, you look at the budget vertically and horizontally, which is very rare. You said no, what is in the budget? It's not supposed to be. How can you budget 200 million for Ekoma Biniru? We are proud. We see what we are doing in that intervention. Comrade Governor, sir, we just want to tell you that all your men are back. What you taught us how to do, we are here to do it. That is to make sure that come September 21st, 2024, by 12 noon, our governor, incoming governor, is already known, which is Akpa Commission. Finally, sir, recently, one former APC leader that is no longer in APC, that now where the elected Nigeria, he said our incoming governor has no capacity. That is Inibeneki. I want to say here today that our incoming governor has more than 3 seats. He has good character. He has capacity. He is competent. He is calm. He is calculating. He can confront. He can consolidate. He is charismatic. We also have another leader from Okpebholo. You know why these two bosses are very important? When they were trying to deceive the people of Okpebholo, they don't give them Greek gifts. God and Majesty Deputy Governor. That better High Court said, don't be so that they do it. Who want to be Deputy Governor? Now 4 years, you will go through ballot. The area of smuggling is gone. We have a new custom officer. So the court notified him. But the people are not receiving. And so we have here one of the great leaders of Okpebholo, who lives in Idahosa.
but I will take 30 seconds.
Thank you.
Me, I am with Oshiomhole. Are you with Oshiomhole? Are we winning? It is over, my leader.
Thank you.
Now, let me stand. Hello. If you were a father, and at a point in your life, some children left you house, and then 2 years later, one after the other, children are returning to the house. How will you feel? If you are a Muslim, you say, Alhamdulillah. And if you are a Christian, you say, to God be the glory. It can only be better. In life, we make mistakes. I have made a mistake. Many of you have not made a mistake, but we are exceptional human beings. But what is important? Never be too arrogant to admit your mistake. So today, APC House is strong, is rugged, is dogged, and now Obaseki is vanity. He led on the shame. You remember, I prophesied before, during the last election, that once Tinubu wins, the man who say your currency will not be valid, that man, called CPA governor, will become invalid, and your currency will remain valid. Did I not say so? Yes. When is the CPA governor? Is he still the governor? He has become invalid. How about your own notes? How about your own notes? I'm not saying you should call me Prophet Dada, but my eye just see something for life. So I want to thank you for everything. This afternoon, I am studying with my three brothers. If you look at us, I think he has, let me see, I don't want to for trouble. He has half inch taller than me. Because it's going to be the next governor. Nobody can be taller than the governor. Because when I was a governor, I forbid anybody to study anybody at church. So that's the next governor. And of course, that's the next deputy governor. But first, this, I really want to deliver it. Next governor is not a stranger to violence. He's not learning how to contest election. In APC, we have won many House of Assembly and Edo Central, but we have been never, since 1999, been able to win the senatorial seat on APC platform. But God said my three brothers, he's as dark as me, only taller by half an inch. Maybe he look more fresh, because he never take the kind of tear gas I took from police during labor war. So, as our people, as we speak, he is representing them in the Senate. So when we say as our people have already spoken in his favor, it's an empirical evidence. It's making we don't see, take our koro eyes see. What is he saying? 52. Eh? 52 going to 53. Now, I was in my 52, my 50s when I became governor. Because I did my 60th birthday as a governor. So you have a young man who was born like me in a small village, who like me went to fetch water from the stream, who like me had to bathe in the stream after coming from the farm, and then carry water home for our areas to drink. So he understands the problem of rural people. He understands the meaning of poverty. He had lived through
poverty. He had suffered the pain of poverty. But we got to decide, without doing big government contractor, he has overcome poverty and he has been giving back to his community. That is why his election was just a formality, just about a year ago. What we have seen under Obaseki and that's where Okpebholo is that you can't give what you don't have. If you possess the heart of evil, you are a sadist by blood. You cannot have human empathy. Governance is about not just building roads. That is important. But you must care. You must be able to feel the concerns of the ordinary man. When they talk, you must be able to understand where they are coming from. So Monday doesn't need a consultant to tell him that when the people have no water, they start the risk of waterborne diseases. Monday doesn't need a lecture to be told that when black communities have no road, they cannot carry their farm produce to the market because it went to that. Monday doesn't need to be told that it is possible for today's poor man to become tomorrow's senator because that is his own life story. And I'm 52. This is a self-made man. I look at this man all over the world. Everybody is saying it is time for the youth. In Edo State, we don't say youth are the leaders of tomorrow. In Edo State, youth are the leaders now.
Thank you.
And to balance it, we have a young man as young as mine. I want to underscore this one. Listen, we have a young man who is about the same age as my own son, Dr. Cyril. By the special grace of God, he will bring on the ticket the creative energies of the youth. So if you meet the opportunity of abandoning young people who will mirror your aspirations and go to people who want to have retired in the other ticket, and I will mention their name. How old is that Okpebholo now? 64. So he will be governor. I was governor. You know the way I used to enter gutter to do measurement. When you visit the day, even though you could try, you go walk. Number two, you have seen the more big grammar they speak, the less they walk. For 8 years, between Obaseki and Okpebholo, that's why we write the MOU as a lawyer. This is not a lawyer that goes to court. This is a bedroom lawyer. When he go write finish, nobody will put figures on it. Those kind of transactions. The one that paid me two. Obaseki brought the former vice president, Oshiomhole, that he want to do industrial park. That Australians will be here, Singaporeans will be here, Malaysians will be here. Oshiomhole took taxpayers' money, fly a jet to Benin. He didn't even see APC people. He went straight to him. They went to one forest, construct one big stone. They say, Vice President Oshiomhole on this day, hereby do the groundbreaking ceremony of this industrial park. It will generate other jobs. Here. Now you go to that place. If Oshiomhole now, since he's retired, he go there to look at the stone. He will feel very miserable. He didn't Osimadio to do groundbreaking for mass housing schemes in this city. If you go there now and challenge cameramen, go there. Even Osimadio very, very angry because watching pastors don't like is for a sinner to confuse a man of God. But the Muslim teacher, that is why when people say I'm going to marry, I don't say, if they can deceive a pastor, who are you and I? But praise the Lord, we have seen the Lord, and it's on His word. He wants to replace Himself, that is not possible. In Edo North, this is the headquarters of Edo North, after my land. To Auchi people, Esako West, my own local government, have you seen any one new school built by Obaseki? Have you seen new teachers being employed into the school that are built? So what is the meaning of Edo Bank? Obaseki defrauded the World Bank. And when they bring the next government, we bring those Washington deployed World Bank officials in Abuja to come and see the schools, not the one they are ready to need. They must go to Auchi, they must go to Okpebholo, they must go to Okpebholo, they can omit your own, you can take and go by themselves. They must go to Uromi, they must go to Ewato, they must go to Ogwa, they must go to Oma, they must go to my in-laws place, I won't hit it. Okpebholo, even to the Idahosa place, because the classes we pay, well, okay, so that millionaire can show him the school. So a man who can defraud the World Bank, but the bad news is that those are debts you will pay. But this government will bring the World Bank, if they cannot establish what the money was used for, and those same people will not pay that money to the World Bank. They ought to know. They ought to know we must begin to get international finance capital to bear responsibility when they support fraudulent activities in third world countries and put heavy debt on the neck of other people. This afternoon, judgment, just me, I'm not going to keep long, you know me. I don't make those speeches. We must compel the Obaseki to fly his aircraft and land in Edo North Airport. Are we not going to compel him to do so? He must land in Edo North Airport. If you don't want land, he must land. If you don't want land, he must land. If you don't want land, he must land. If you don't land, he must land. If you don't land, he must land. When he lands, he must land. Remind you, I did not do MOU with poor cement. I just invite the poor, go and make sure that Okpebholo cement is back to life. Is Okpebholo cement not back to life? Did you see any celebration of MOU? I did it with my brother. He's actually my dearest brother, Aliko Dangote. I said, if you support me to become, you must support me to create job. Come and locate a factory in Edo State. When he went to Okpebholo to set up a fertilizer plant, because the PDP government said they were going to drain the river, they didn't do it. So the equipment couldn't go there, now he moved it to Lagos. I said, but you must do something. Today, Okpebholo is the heartbeat of industrial activity in Nigeria with 2 giant cement factories. Did that do MOU? Did that do MOU? Because they are making fake data.
the heart of Benin, did we do MOU? We provided the land, I told the engineers, we provided security, and today Adura power plant is there. The Chinese, we brought them, no MOU, they are producing rod, iron rod. No, from scrap. All these ceramic tiles we use to build schools in Edo State were made by a Chinese company that came to establish ceramic factory while I was governor of Edo State. Did we do MOU? That is why the next governor, he knows what to do. Now, there must be an innocent man here. So, once they hear that, Edo people have resolved that in the interest of the unity of our state, let the governorship now go to Esaland. Because after Musalim's life was also cut short, with all the good things he did, the second term was terminated, there was a coup, and you know the rest is history. Now, once they hear that, the man who has never registered to vote before, he has never voted, he now hurriedly went for you to see the dubiousness of this guy to forge INEC registration card. The voter card that you go and queue and get as honest as your people. The man who wants to be governor, he votes his own. Now he was taken to court. What Federal High Court said the matter was starting back. The matter went to Court of Appeal. The Court of Appeal said no. Crime does not expire. Crime does not expire. So as we speak, Oshiomhole has that case hanging on his head for forging a card that is not INEC voter. The process, listen to this, because wait, at the heart of the summary of what I'm trying to say is that we have to vote with character. Character, that's what matters. Morality. Any human being without character, without a sense of morality, who is morally bankrupt, cannot provide good government. The process that elected, that produced Oshiomhole has been declared illegal by a federal high court. And they are heading to the Supreme Court. So, if a woman go and steal a baby at 62, no, 64, what is it? 64. A 64-year-old man, he can't go carry people say that he born her. Then the college is not there, say, this people don't fear that again. That's the case of Oshiomhole. So when we say don't let do it, the one is the treasurer of the other, that's the one to change. Automatically we become the treasurer, where Oshiomhole will become the teller. Now we can just take money again. So lastly we have the message from Abuja. But you must do everything possible to ensure that we get rid of this bad people in government. And there is only one way. Abuja asked me to remind you, woman, one guy, one governor, even one deputy governor, even one vote, one coverage, one minister, the next governor. So, I understand. So, do everything possible to come out on September 31st and march to vote. Because as they say, it's not over or it is over. But let me also assure you, all those people they buy weapons to dissolve election, they call the said, whatever they call them. I know that during election they will not be allowed to function. No, totally belong to the past.
The party's governorship and deputy governorship candidates, Senator Monday Okpebholo and Right Honorable Dennis Idahosa, can deliver their manifestos to the people of Esako, while Senator Monday Okpebholo's daughter can throw a salute to the people for their continuous support for her papa.
My former colleague, former commissioner in Oshiomhole administration, went to the other side from Akoko Edo. Now she's back. Let's give her 1 minute to quickly speak to you. Thank you very much.
Stand up.
Women are here. See as my former colleague just decide his head on the other side. Okay, our eye now see better not see their man. You see the results APC.
Thank you very much, my former colleague. I don't know you, I don't know youth. I know the year now. If I know year now, I know go talk. I don't know you, This one of my constituencies, sir. My name is Dennis Idahosa. By the grace of God and with your support, I'm the next deputy governor of Edo State. I'm the incoming governor of Edo State, distinguished Senator Monday Okpebholo. So our people, I want to talk few things. During 2016, for Obaseki campaign, I was the director of youth and student mobilization. I went around the 18 local government of Edo State. He promised you now, say he will bring 200,000 jobs to the youth. Abi? Yeah. He don't do that? Now, because everything where I want to, I will tell you now madam, hold on now. Everything where I want to, I go tell you now the problem and we go profile solution. Now, that 200,000 jobs in other one for Oshiomhole administration. Now I bring ceramic tiles for Okpebholo. Now I bring steel company come for also Okpebholo. Azura plant for my constituency. Now I bring also this how many foreign investments you don't bring come Edo State? MOU. For these companies where I don't mention now, you don't know how many youth where they work for them. If this ain't Oshiomhole do, we forget plenty youth where go there engage for work. Now, we not go vote for that person again. Number two, when Oshiomhole were the governor of Edo State, we know say for school, there was what we call Red Rule Revolution. Almost private school, they were almost out of business. School, public school, our children, they enjoy to go to school that time. This time around, under Edo Best, how school be? Now, I also want to tell you now, say, the people give out loan of $75 million to Edo Best. Now, the Code of Conduct Bureau, they don't write and say, make them come show what they use that money to. And then they run up and down. We go catch and give them to the people to investigate. I mean, not so. You know why this is very important? We the youth, now they want to put the bill on. Because as we speak in Edo, both the domestic and external debt is over $500 billion. Who not pay that debt? Not be the youth. Now we the youth. Now I make an Obaseki government. May government never allow such government to rise again. Yes. Una know that time when it rain under Oshiomhole. Wetin dey happen? There's what they call Benin water storm. Now they take off all erosion across Edo State. But Obaseki come, he stop am. By the grace of God, under the leadership of the next governor of Edo State, he say he go continue that work. Yes, sir. So our people, I no go talk everything. My oga dey here gidigba. He say he go talk to the youth. He go talk to the women. He go talk to the elderly. Of Edo North. Before I go give her a microphone, make him talk to una with the crowd wey I see here for Edo North today. I wan sing one song. More na join me sing am. I can see everything. Everything. For a good. So join me. One time. Join me. One time. The good people of Edo North. Welcome to stay. The next governor of Edo State. Distinguished Senator Mohammed Okpebholo.
I want to thank Edo North people. Thank you. The crowd has been today. I think in this election, I want to carry first.
Yes, sir.
I'm expecting 6 overseas. I'm expecting 9.9%. You have demonstrated capacity.
Na so.
I want to tell you that people I will not be cheated. The mineral resources in Edo State is here. Has the present government do anything about it? Do you want it to be harnessed? You want it? You want your mineral resources to be harnessed? Is that the way you want? Okay. Una no say wetin una want na progress. No be so? Na so you want progress. So your mineral resources, shey you want am? Na so. Your mineral resources, you want it back? Let me tell you that progress have come.
Yes, sir. After water.
I'm going to do the extraordinary thing to make this place reposition for industrial park.
Make una clap na. Now let's have it.
Let me tell you, I know say una want to see water. Una dey see water here. This government no promise una water. Una get water.
MOU government.
Na water under our government. Una go get water.
Na so.
I want to talk about my 5-point agenda. Number 1, security. Security. Una want security?
Yes, sir.
Una want security?
Yes, sir.
Una never tire for kidnapping. Una never tire for kidnapping. Una tire. Kidnapping been there here before. No. Now under Obaseki government, kidnapping start.
MOU.
And the kidnapping was still follow am go. Una, my number 2-point agenda. Education. education. We will employ more teachers. Yes, our first 100 days in office, we should be able to employ over 5,000 teachers. What of agriculture? Known as the background. Is it there? So that's still there. So that's still there. They don't chop the money. Over 12 billion. This government. Wow. Oga finish. He said one give me pikin. Economic advisor in a government that failed. You know what? They brought that one again. We don't agree. Because that man, now him, they advise in Oga Obaseki. So if Oga failed, the person when they advise him never failed, they don't fail, then they told they don't fail. Until one call of ours again, you get that to you. That's it. Let me tell you, massive road construction. Because una still get road where Oga and the Oshiomhole stop our governor. Nobody there, the government stop for Edo State. I want to start from there. We want to bring back the state of emergency on our road. Because without road, you cannot travel anywhere. Without road, you cannot do business. Traditional rulers, we will respect them. Because these are the people, day and night, they are praying for us. They know the problem of the land. So we must carry them along and seek their advice. Make una clap. About West Africa. I want to tell you that in our government is going to be practical governance. A system whereby we will consult the people and the people will talk to us. So assessing the government will be very easy for the people. I want my daughter. See, I see fine daughter. Honor is. My daughter, they don't take one night stand. Yes, sir. You must take two next stand. Yes. She take one initial stand. She take one and favor stand. What we say? That's it. What did the doctor say? Now I in-law in me. Well,
Thank you very much for coming to support me and my family, my brother, Mr. Okpebholo, and incoming Deputy Governor David Idahosa. Okpebholo is my mother's home, and from inside my mother is from Okpebholo, so I am one of you. Thank you very much for coming out to support.
Comrade Kelly Yusuf, Paul Efagase Johnson, and other ASACO representatives for their talk with our Tory person Oluwati Tammy C. Julius come note their readiness for the election and come urge the people of ASACO to continue to sell their candidates.
If you see the crowd when come, no be person go tell you say we don't win, they do not finish. Even if I talk all this tomorrow, it don't mean anything. You go tell me what you see, what your eyes see, the crowd what you see. All these people, that people get PVC, people believe in Monday, people go vote for us. So definitely, Edo North is 100%.
My name is Comrade Kelly Yusuf. I'm from Isako Central. The good way and the message has been delivered to the good people of Isako, the good people of Edo North. It's now less for our people to go to their various homes, their various local government, their various wards, even in our various families, among our friends, to preach the gospel of Monday, Okpebholo, and then Idahosa, so that we'll be able to harmonize more people into the system, into the party. Come September 21st, inshallah, APC will be victorious in the election. We will continue to work hard. We will continue to preach the gospel. We will continue to reach out to more people, make them to see the reasons why they should key into this project. Because the administrative we have witnessed over 8 years has brought nothing but bad governance to Edo, and we need a liberation. We need a change in government, and of course a change in government. And you can also believe with me that having APC at the state level and at the center level is going to attract more development to the state. So it's a great advantage that I want Edo people to indeed take advantage of, and they should not take for granted.
I think that our people do not want the government to support or to produce their next governor. We can see from the activities of today, it's clearly stated that Edo North, we in the Edo North are saying no to Obaseki and his friend, Aswe Guidalo, and Edo North already said yes to Senator Monday Okpebholo and his incoming deputy, Dennis Idahosa. Election is about the people, and we can see that the last time Edo people experienced infrastructural development is during the era of Comrade Oshiomhole, and for the past 8 years, no any meaningful development. And the people are yearning for a new government, a progressive government. And our party, APC, is a progressive government. And we have a progressive candidate in person of Senator Monday Okpebholo. So the people, of course, the people will decide come September 21st. And I believe that the wish of the people is that they need a new brown governor, not a governor that does not have empathy for his people, who deceive the people with MOU, fake promises, but a realistic governor, a governor that have empathy for his people. And who is this governor? Senator Monday Okpebholo.
Make una not forget, say, as we see him, now so we dey talk him. We know they take blame. From Edo North Senatorial District, Ekata Ojisele, TMC TV News.